That was Justin Bieber calling me. Hey. Good boy. The dogs love me today. Hey. Go, go, go.
I ain't never had shit, I did it on my own. I ain't got nobody with me.
Yo, Justin. Nah, man, I'm heading out of Sydney right now, that's why. Yeah, you can't come over today. I know, man, yeah. I want to go out with the 2 Ferraris as well, but not today. Anyways, I'll meet you in LA anyway, yeah, man? See you later. Bye. Oh, that was Justin Bieber calling me. Anyways, if they... We're gonna be visiting a few beaches. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
I lost the light, within your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know. Tell me now, where did you go? I lost the light, within your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know.
We're in a place called Kangaroo Valley, and this is probably my favorite view out of all the places that I visit when I go on this mountain here. I present to you Kangaroo Valley.
Tell me now, where did you go?
Hey. Good boy. It's a random dog that I don't even know. Hey.
I lost the light within your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know. Tell me now, where did you go? I lost the light within your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know. Tell me now.
That bird's literally looking at me backwards. How the F he turned his whole head and is looking at me. He's like, this boy, he's gonna call immigration on me, I reckon. I swear to God, gotta go. And we have made it to beach number. Check it out. A little bit more cloudier than I expected, but let's see how it goes when I get back to the place. So we just made it to the place that we're staying. It's a place called Mollymook, and I'm just right now chilling in front of the pool. It's nice weather, it's about 26 degrees, sun's out, guns aren't, but let me show you this whole place. I'm going to do a quick montage. Stay tuned, watch this.
I lost the light within your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know. Tell me now, where did you go? I lost the light within your eyes. I calm you down, let it shine. I see a shadow, it's all I know.
And on that note, they've got a golf course that's attached to the back. It's not attached, it's not theirs, but it's like at the back. You can just walk to the backyard and it's there. So check it out. They're playing golf right now. Should have been asked them for a ride. Damn. Come on, let's go. Hello. So we're just at Mollymook Beach. This is the 4th beach for today. We're gonna be tanning for a bit. It's 25.5 degrees last time I checked in the car. And yeah, then we're gonna be going to dinner soon, which I'll show you. But yeah, we're working right now. We're just working. Enjoy. let's head back to the place. We'll get changed and we'll go grab some dinner real quick, and then we've got to do some work. Yeah, the dogs love me today. Hey, go, go, go. That's right.
She's so loyal. She just followed that other girl. Loyal.
I thought that was her dog.
No, no. Sorry.
See ya. That girl was super cute. Here's a tip, get a dog. Trust me, make a run after people and say, oh sorry, I didn't know my dog's gonna go for you. So that concludes day one. We're in Mollymook right now. We've visited 4 beaches. We ate nice food. We had a good time. Tomorrow we're going to be heading to a place called Mystery Bay, and we have a really nice place there. It looks cool on the photos. I hope it is cool. Just stay tuned. You're gonna love it. If you're liking what you're seeing, if you're enjoying it, if you think I'm stupid as hell, if you think I'm ugly, please like, comment, subscribe, and touch my left nipple, and I'll love you forever.
I ain't never had shit, I did it on my own.